is Michel Verheem. My business is called ID Lab. We're wayfinding strategists. I've been coached since January this year, so that's 8 months. I guess I came to the realization that I didn't know everything, and that if I wanted to get where I'd been dreaming of getting, that I needed to action some stuff, and I realized that I couldn't do that on my own. What the coaching is doing, it's putting me into the state of mind of an entrepreneur, thinking about business as business, not as a job, taking more risk and more thought through risks. I'd say to other people that it is a lot of money, and you need to work hard to make it valuable. You can't, so it's worth it if you work for it. You can't sit back and think that the coach is going to solve your problems.